Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to move the taskbar in Windows 11 to the top, left or right. Currently, it is at the bottom. And if you want to put it on the left, right or top, just follow these easy steps that I'm about to share with you. Now, I just want to mention to you that on Windows 11, let me go ahead and right click on my taskbar and go to the taskbar settings here. Let me put this over so you can see it. If I scroll on and go to the taskbar behaviors right here, you will see that the taskbar alignment only allows you to put it to the left or center. And this is just the alignment of the taskbar. It doesn't allow you to move the taskbar to the left, to the right, or wherever. So if you want to do that within Windows 11, you have to use third-party applications, right? And I'm going to show you the best one that I've used for myself. Of course, there are others out there, but the easiest one that I've used, and I know that it works, I'm going to share that with you so that you can easily go ahead and move your taskbar if you so desire. So what you want to do, guys, is simply go ahead and click the Windows key in your taskbar and go ahead and open up your Microsoft Store. Inside the Microsoft Store, guys, all you have to do is go ahead and search for the following app by the name of Start All Back. Once you find Start All Back, I know it's going to say that it's paid, but you can click on that and you'll be able to install it. Once you install it on your PC, it's going to take a couple of seconds. You're going to see a flash of your taskbar, but that's pretty much it. It is currently installed. It takes over your Windows right here. And all you have to do is just simply right click on your taskbar and you want to go to the properties. Inside the properties here, you will see taskbar location on screen. It's currently set to the bottom. And look at this. If I want it on the left, it's on the left. If I want it on the right, it's on the right. If I want it on the top, it's on the top. And that's how easy it is, guys, to go ahead and move your taskbar in Windows 11.